So I love this Easter cross idea. It is really beginner friendly for you to create. You can do it on a black base coated rock, a white base coated rock. I do prefer to have a base coat, and you'll see why later. For just, it gives you a lot more forgiveness when you're creating the design. So we're starting with the Post-it note folded in half, sticky side at the bottom, and we're creating a cross. That way it's nice and even for us. When you stick it to the rock, that sticky spot is really going to help everything stay in place while you start adding on your paint pen stripes. Now I like to go around and do white stripes first because it gives a little variation to the colored stripes when you add them. You always want to start on your Post-it note and pull off and away onto your rock. Don't zigzag back and forth. That will help you at least get mostly a nice crisp line here. So I worked my way through all three colors that I chose. Use whatever colors you want. Make sure that the edge of your entire Post-it is covered with paint. Then peel it up. See how you did. This is why the base coat is kind of important, because we're going to be able to touch this up. And then you're going to come back through and start adding in your black paint pen or even black acrylic paint with a brush to crisp up the outline of your cross. Now next, I am going in and adding gold. I think it gives this a really beautiful touch. So I'm just adding the gold paint kind of down the middle of the cross first and leaving it in there nice and thick. And then I'm coming back with a very small dotting tool and pulling that paint right along the edge. You have so much control when you do it this way. You can do this with a toothpick just as easily. And then you're just gonna touch up with your black paint pen if you need to. I do wanna share again real quick how I did it with the white kind of opposite with a gold outline around your white center. Either way you do it, these are fabulous rocks for beginners. If you want to see more of our Easter rock painting ideas, check out the description for a link to our playlist.